everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal and today I have another smart art box for you. This is the May smart art box, and if you didn't know, my main channel, this is my second channel, so my main channel is Darkest Raven Designs and you can find it up here. This box is sent to me by Smart Art to review for you all, and you can find a discount code in the description box below. This is the May box and June will be my last box from them, and anything after that will be special boxes I will be unboxing on my main channel for like clay and that kind of stuff. So let's get into the May box. That is very colorful. Let's have a look what we get. Andy Warhol pop art movement. That is interesting. That is the tools we get inside. Don't look yet. We're not cheating. Smart art project quick start guide. There's the quick start. And then here is a Smart Art Project Skills Challenge Guide. And some project pointers, Smart Art Weekly Challenge, and this month's weekly prompts. Citrus melted, crunchy and icy. So there's that. We get 6 graphics sketch markers in black, green, blue, pink, red and yellow. There are those. Of course, I'm gonna swatch them. We have 15 4x6 Strathmore mixed media postcards. Very thick paper. Oh, they come right out when you bend it too far, but it looks like very nice cold pressed. Is it cold pressed? Doesn't say. It feels cold pressed. Really nice paper. We have a cookies eraser set. Okay. Not quite sure about that. A Bale Eco Friends 2mm auto pencil. Oh, that is a thick boy. Look at that point. That is nice though. Yeah. Jelly Bellies and Smart Art Pop Art sticker. Brazil colored pencils. We already had Brazil pencils once, different ones. These look a little bit more better quality though. Expression color. And then we have a Lyra Rembrandt Splendor. And what is a Splendor pencil? Ability to include area wide, glossy, almost plastic smooth expressiveness in colored pencil art. Okay. Lastly, we have this thing. It is a pencil case, a roll-up pencil case. Okay. Right. I kind of feel like we have 2 novelty items in here, which is this thing and this thing. I would have left this out. This is okay, but you know. And what I would do is I would probably make it into a journal. Maybe even this size. And this could still wrap around this way. Okay, before I get into the swatching, let's have a look at these cookies. This cookie eraser set. I feel like this is more like a novelty than an art supply. And not something that I would have expected from Smart Art, to be honest. They're erasers. They don't even smell like cookies. Let's put the sticker on and start some swatches. So the pencil is nice. Feels a bit light. It's just plastic, but it writes nice and it does what it does. It is a pencil, and the sharpening feature at the end is pretty cool. Let's try the markers first and then the pencils. They're too bright to blend, so. But they're very juicy, so there's that. And now the Bruinzeel colored pencils. I like these more than the previous Bruinzeel set that we got. That was just a cheap student set. This feels a little bit better. I still don't think it's artist quality. Alright, now let's try this Splendor thing. I don't feel like it does much. I mean, it gives a little bit of shine, but that's all. It doesn't blend it. Well, it does for the darker colors, I suppose. The black blends. Then there's this, of course, which I don't think I'm going to use. So these are postcards, mixed media postcards. But I think I have an idea for this thing. Because I suppose you can put your, your pencils in, your markers in, and then go. But how about I make it into a journal? Put something there. And then it can sit there, and then this can protect it. Like so. So, let's give that a go. So first thing I need to do is make 2 holes, and I'm going to put them one here and one down there. I have to puncture through that fabric, so I'm going to use my silent setter, which is for these little rivets, and I am going to well, it's not a silent setter, it makes actually a very hard punch, but I'm going to do that with this puncher, and I'm going to do that off camera so I can do it on the floor. So I've got one done. It's like this. So let's do the other one. And there is number 2. So what I want to do now is put a string through that. So you can basically put the papers in whenever you want, and you can put them in and out, and use this as like a travel notebook kind of thing. So I'm gonna grab some elastic and put that through. There we go, got some elastic here. I use this for mask making. I could use black, but I don't think white is too bad here. So, and the reason I use elastic is that it so won't break. And I'm just gonna tie a knot here. There's that for now. And now I'm going to grab some paper that I want to put in here and then make a little booklet out of it. So from this Strathmore? Yeah, sketch paper. What is it? 89 GSM or 60 pounds. It's basically sketch paper. I tore out 12 pages, so if I double them, it would sit nicely in there. And that would give me 12 times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48 sides or sheets to do something with. There we go. And now I can just put this without binding it just in here and have it sitting there. And if I want to sketch or something like that, I can just take it out if I want to. I can just take out the whole thing or just a sheet and have it sit like this. And I can still close it like so. Which also means that I can still put my pencils in there. And if I still want to use it as just a pencil roll, I can do that as well, because I can take this thing out. There we have it. Your own travel takeaway kit, basically. But I'm going to I'm going to draw something with the supplies as well. Because I never seem to do that. I always seem to make something and never do something with the supplies. So I'm going to make something with this. I'm going to use the prompt citrus and melted. So let's sketch. Okay, it doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's basically a molten, or is it just juice? Citrus fruit? I don't know. Lemon lime something or other. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with that. Let's just get coloring, shall we? So at this point, I'm not sure if this paper is the right kind of paper for these markers because it bleeds through. And if you want to send this as a postcard, I'm not sure if this should bleed through. So it's nice to work on, but now I've done 2 layers, and actually you saw it after the first layer already, is that it bleeds through. And yeah, it is nice paper to use these markers on, though. That's really not the issue. It's just that if you ever want to send it, yeah, might not be the best thing. But right, I'm gonna leave it at this. Definitely not my best piece. It's not terrible, but yeah, it's very much out of my comfort zone. Did I have fun? Yes, I did. And the art supplies work well together. I suppose not so much on the paper, but you know, it is what it is. But I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks again to SmartArt for sending me these supplies, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.